I'm really delighted to share with you our next construction initiative at Rivier, and it's to change. It's to reimagine Sylvia Trottier Hall with new state-of-the-art nursing, simulation, and clinical education spaces, a space for business and technology, cybersecurity and sport management, and a welcoming space that we may call the enterprise zone, when you can collaborate with faculty and classmates.
It's just exciting for us to be able to teach at our highest level to students at their highest levels.
This means so much to us as faculty. We will really be able to teach the students to think like nurses. They'll be in the state-of-the-art building where they will have all the simulation equipment where they can practice and practice.
The reimagining of Sylvia Trottier Hall is really going to open doorways to the outside world for our students. The expanded technology and laboratory spaces are going to allow our students to get out into the real world and build that bridge between what they're learning in the classroom and what they're applying in the real world upon graduation.